everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So how are you guys doing and how is your day, guys? So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get a clearer vision and remove cataract. Now those things actually prevent us from seeing afar, and it's actually very disturbing. Okay, so just like I used to say, it's actually very better we use food as medicine, okay, and abstain from using medicine as food. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you a very natural ingredients that will help you get a clearer vision and remove cataract. And this is actually amazing. It is beautiful, it tastes great, and I love it, guys. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on that post notification and click all and thumbs up, and let's go. So to get a clearer vision and to remove cataract from your eye, you're gonna be needing this, and this is sweet potato. So you're gonna be needing sweet potato for this, and this is basically like a food, but I'm gonna be making it like a smoothie. And hold on, don't go nowhere, watch till the end so you can see all of the important ingredients that I'm going to be using for this clearer vision. Okay, so we have here potato. Now it's sweet potato. Okay, so we'll have to cut this, peel it, okay. So the thing is that cutting to potato, especially sweet potato, it is usually very strong, very hard. Okay, so you peel it, okay. So after peeling this, we'll have to cut it, wash it, and then we'll go and cook this, and I'll go cook this and I'll be right back. So here I have some cooked and boiled sweet potato, and I'm gonna be taking just a little of this, and then I'm gonna be putting it into my blender. Okay, so we're gonna be putting in some water, although not too much. Then we're going to blend. Okay, so after blending, this is how it is, really smooth, and I'm gonna be turning that. Wow, it's so yummy, and this is usually very sweet. Okay, just like the name says, it's sweet potato. So we're equally going to be needing some soya beans powder, soya milk powder, okay, into this. And this actually helps for the eye. Okay, beans help so much for a clearer vision, and it will help to clear up any cataract. So I'm gonna be taking just a few of this and then put it into my sweet potato. Guys, all of these things are edible and I love them so much. They do all of the goodness that is being mentioned for. Okay, so after that is done, then we're going to be needing carrots. Now carrots is actually a great ingredient for the eyesight. It helps for a clearer vision, and it also helps to, you know, make your sight really clear, removing any cataract. And then, you know, all of those growths in the eyes at the corner side of your eye. Okay, it has a name, but I can't actually pronounce the name. The name is very difficult for me to pronounce. Yeah, this remedy is going to help in removing them. Okay, now I have to turn in my carrots into a blender. So we're equally going to be needing some grapes. Okay, for this I'm actually going to be taking just a few of these grapes. Just a few is enough for this. Yeah, so we're actually going to be washing them. And then transferring them into the blender alongside with the carrot. And then we're gonna put a little bit of water because carrot does not actually contain too much of juice. So after that is done, we're going to be sieving out the juice of the carrot and the grapes. So here I have my carrot and my grapes. Then also you're going to be needing to use this, and this is pear. Okay, so pear would actually help so much in clearing up your cataract basically. So if you have cataract, you know, you're suffering from those eye problems, why not try, you know, using pear all the time alongside with this other ingredients. Okay guys, so since I have this half cut of pear, I'm gonna be using this half. Yeah, okay, so let's wash it. And then I'm going to be cutting it. Then I'm going to be transferring that into the blender. Okay guys, so we're gonna be putting in just a little water for this. So I actually choose to blend my ingredients one after another so you guys can actually see them very well. Now if you actually choose to blend yours together, it is all good. There is no different blending it together and blending it one after another. There is no different. Okay, so however you want to blend it guys, you know, you just go right ahead. So I'm gonna be sieving it out. So here I have it, and I'm gonna be transferring my pear, my carrots and grape, and yeah guys, you're gonna be putting in your sweet potato into this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be giving you guys the compulsory ingredients for this in case you don't have all of those ingredients, or you can't actually get all the ingredients. Okay, now the compulsory ingredients for this is the carrot, the cucumber, and also the soya beans. Okay, those three are the very compulsory ones. So if you're actually suffering from that situation, if you have that problem, you can actually take this juice, you take this mixture, and this is actually, you know, going to help you a whole lot in removing those your cataract, improving your vision, and clearing your sights. Okay, so go try this, and I'm going to be having a take of this. Wow, this is actually very sweet. You guys know the sweet potato is very, very sweet. It's actually a very sweet, you know, food. Okay, so however you want to do it, if you want to just put it in the plate, turn everything together and start dishing it out and eat, fine. If you want to make it as a juice, just like I did, it is very well okay. So go give this a try and clear up your vision and remove your cataract, and you're good to go. So that's it. It tastes really, really nice. I love it, and it's gonna do the job. Now you have to, you know, make it and store it and always continue using it, and this is gonna be super duper amazing. Okay, so before you go, turn on that post notification and click all, subscribe to my channel, and thumbs up, and I'll see you again. Bye.